Hello mga ka-UVG ako ulit. So, tingnan natin kung anong dapat mong malaman. Okay. Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay, baka po energy nyo na masarap ko. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate na Virgo, alam nyo na po ang galawan. Thank you po in advance. Okay. So, maaari pong naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap Virgo. Use your own discernment. Okay, maaaring nasa environment mo or taong connected sa'yo either way, vice versa. So, yes, tingnan natin. Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign? Na-create po pala ako ng isa pa pong channel, Anastaro. Okay. Ililink ko na lang po sa description box mamaya. For all signs po yun. General, what I mean is collective reading. Collective reading po yun siya. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Ano pang dapat malaman? Page of Wands, messages, Virgo. Page of Cups ay nagkalat ang pages. Talaga naman, oo. And the Queen of Cups. Okay. Wala po tayong gender sa tarot ha. I mean sa tarot. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. So, bahala na po kayo kung saan nyo ilalapag yung sarili nyo. What I mean is, nagbe-base lang po tayo dito energetically at sa mga character po ng cards. Okay. Sa energy ng card. So, let's see. Bottom of the deck. King of Swords. Okay. Let's see. Clarify the Page of Wands. Merong message dito, Virgo. Offer ng balik natin. Ito, Page of Cups. Page of Cups is my admirer card, dreamy card. Okay. Page of Wands is my message card, happy message card. Okay, communication. Okay. Playful. Page, parehas page. Maybe this person is younger than you. Or maybe you are younger than them. Either way. We'll see, meron tayong Queen and King dito eh. Yung isa puro utak. Practical. Yung isa puro emotion. You know what I mean? Nag-ooperate to gamit ang puso. Ito nag-ooperate to gamit ang utak. So, tingnan natin, Virgo. Clarify the Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Ano pong dapat malaman ni Virgo? Oh, Queen of Swords. Utak na rin ang reply mo dito. Nagkalat ang page. Page of Pentacles. Six of Swords. And the Two of Wands. So, Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, merong communication dito regarding sa new beginning. Okay. Pero, merong isang person din dito na no bullshit. Okay. Kasi ang Queen of Wands para sa akin, if you not speak your truth, now get out of my face. Yan na what I mean. Ang Queen of Swords for me is, mali ka dito. Sabihin mo kung anong gusto mong sabihin. Pero i-make sure mo na totoo lahat ang sasabihin mo. Walang halong kabulastugan, walang halong bola or paikot na sinasabi. You need to be straight to the point kung anong gusto mong mangyari. Okay. Ganun ang energy ng Queen of Wands. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? So, merong nagko-communicate dito, Virgo, ng new beginning, okay? Straight. Di ko alam kung maririnig mo to sa person na magko-communicate or ikaw ang magsasabi dito ng straight lang. Walang halong transparency to para sa akin. Kung gusto mo ng new beginning, kasi ang Page of Pentacles is all about growth. Okay, Page of Pentacles is all about an offer. It's all about let's say, may offer sa'yo new beginning because page can grow. Okay. Page, ang daming page. Nagkalat ang mga page. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung back to start again, back to kindergarten. Basta may nagsasabi dito ng mag-start. Okay. Clarify the page of Penteas. King of Cup. Knight of Cups. Oh my God. Definitely. Merong nag-ano dito, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung may magko-communicate sa'yo. Expect some communication about the new beginning of being offered for you. May mag-offer sa'yo ng new beginning dito. Let's start moving into calmer water. Kung ano man yung gusot na nakos ko sa'yo, let's fix it. Okay. Let's bring the lesson of the relationship or of the situation and let's move forward. Forget about the rest. Forget about the past or forget about what happened. I think hindi ka magkakaroon ng Queen of Swords mode kung hindi ka magiging wise dito. Meron tayong couple card eh. Hindi ka magiging wise dito kung hindi ka nito inabuso or hindi ka take for granted sa situation, okay? So, this person is nag-ooperate na siya ngayon ng Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is a romantic card, okay? Sweeping you off your feet, Virgo. Hindi ko alam, basta expect some communication with this person offering a new beginning here. Page can grow, page to the knight, to the king, to the emperor, or to the empress. Okay, so gustong magkaroon ng growth nito sa'yo, Virgo, but ikaw dito, ang communication mo is just like, walang halong transparency ang requirement mo dito. Okay, this person wants to move into calmer water with you. Two of Wands, kung mapapansin mo, Two of Wands dito, nasa pader siya. So, nasa loob pa siya ng comfort zone niya. Two of Swords is like, nagvivision siya dito with the world card sa kamay niya. So, nakikita niya doon na there is more to explore, there is more to expand, there is more than meets the eye. Okay. So, sa kinalalagyan niya ngayon. Okay. So, this person is going to come towards you and moving you or ayusin kung ano man ang mga naging gusot ng relationship or ng pagsasama or hindi ko alam kung ano yan sa'yo, Virgo. Friendship, relationship, siblings, family, hindi ko alam. Co-worker, I don't know. But kung sino man tong person na to na magme-message sa'yo, gusto niya magkaroon ng new beginning, new start here with you, Virgo. Okay. Let's grow together kind of thing. Okay. Let's journey together. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Because this person, nakikita niya ang ilaw at the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, so may magko-communicate sa'yo dito na parang feeling ko kailangan ka niya in some point. Okay. This person needs your energy, basically. Okay, and I don't know kung sino sa'yo yan. Pero medyo parang importante ka sa taong to. Okay, so mag-i-effort siya dito na mag-message sa'yo or magsabi sa'yo ng let's start. Okay, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. So, clarify the page of cups for my Virgo, please. Six of Wands. Four of Wands, wow. So, yun pala. The Moon card, yun pala ang sekreto niya. And the Star card, Moon and Star. Ay, hindi pala to Moon. King Ina. Karma pala to. Karma card. Patagal ko na kasi hindi ginagamit tong card na to. So, the Karma card, Virgo. This person, kung sino man to, Virgo, you are going to be in the public eye. Okay. Gusto niyang i-public yung kung ano man ang nararamdaman niya. Okay. There is a reconciliation, celebration, mission accomplished, moving in together. Okay. And gusto ng person na to na maging public. That this is my friend or this is my wife, this is my husband. And anyway, shape or form, basta in the public. Gustong i-public, gusto lagyan ng label dito. Okay. This is my partnership in work, this is my coworker, anything. Bahala ka kung saang angulo mo yan titingnan. But with the Karma card is being here and the Star card, Virgo, this person, clarify the Karma card. Knight of Swords. Okay, fine. Baka tong person na to, kung sino man to, na-realize niya or hindi ko alam kung basta parang mababanggit niya na ikaw ang karma ko or nasa isip niya lang na sinasabi niya sa sarili niya na si Virgo ang karma ko. Okay. So I need to heal something with Virgo, with the star card. Or maybe this person is in the public eye, or maybe maybe you are going to be in the public eye, Virgo. Magiging viral ka dito, public eye, or you're going to be a star here, and maybe this is your karma. Okay, Virgo, but with the Page of Cups is being here, someone is going to offer you something, but bare minimum. Okay, but you have going on here. I think magkakaroon ka ng maraming followers or maraming, I don't know kung ano ang ginagawa mo sa social media, but you are going to be a star, you are going to be in the public eye, and people is going to celebrate you, people will know you, okay, Virgo, and I think this is your karma. Together with the Knight of Swords, Virgo, I think, it's all about communication, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Meron kang communication, yun ang karma mo, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung anong posisyon mo or ano ang tawag niyan, purpose mo. But I think there is all about connected sa communication, the way you communicate to people, the way you make things done. Okay. Strategically. Okay. Pero parang magbo-boost dito yung ano mo, page can grow. Okay. Magbo-boost dito yung communication mo, Virgo. Yan ang senaryo na nakikita ko. Ang pangalawang senaryo na nakikita ko, someone wants to offer you something, okay? Magkaroon ng label or public eye recognition in the relationship, okay, Virgo? And this person, naiisip niya na ikaw ang karma niya. This is my karma. Virgo is my karma. Okay, Virgo is my karma. And this person is aware. Okay. So, this person is para bagang napaka-healing mo sa kanya. Okay. Ikaw ang medicine, basta ikaw ang ano niya dito, peace. Kasi star for me is a peace actually. Peace, star card, kasi pag lumabas tong dalawa, ano yun public eye. Star card, what I mean, magiging viral ka or magiging magiging kilala ka, magiging popular ka. Hindi man Hollywood like Angelina Jolie or Brad Pitt, pero makikilala ka. Okay. And people will see your good karma here. This is a good karma for once. Six of Wands is a victory card. Mission accomplished. Okay, you are accomplishing something here and you're going to be in the public eye. Or, if it's not, merong person dito na gustong lagyan ng label kung ano man ang label ang gusto niyang i-public, okay? Na i-highlights ka, okay? And iniisip nitong person na to or ng mga taong to na you are a good karma, good luck, good charm, or you know what I mean. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Clarify the Queen of Cups, Ten of Swords, Ace of Wands, Five of Wands, and the High Priestess. Okay. Someone is conflicted here, Virgo. Someone feeling stabbed in the back. Okay. So, this person is like, hindi ko alam kung merong kang sister or mother figure or friends figure, I don't know, but there is someone here is very emotional, very conflicted, feeling betrayed, okay? But your intuition, itong person na to, iniisip niya nag-start ka ng new beginning elsewhere. Kasi Five of Wands and the High Priestess. This person knows, okay, that kung sino man to, para sa'yo, alam nitong taong na to kung na nag-cause ng chaotic or something dito. Something disaster and chaotic, ang gulo. Basta, this High Priestess, nakita niya na ngayon kung ano ang negative, ano ang positive ng effect ng niya, ng action niya. Okay. With the Ten of Swords, someone is feeling betrayed and someone is like, fight. Fight to sa akin Five of Wands or competition. Okay. Hindi ko alam, Virgo, kung meron kang competitive friends or competitive energy, siblings, competitive something around you, okay? Someone is feeling stabbed in the back. This person is aware aware siya sa kung ano man ang naging cause niya, kung ano man ang damage niya. Okay, ngayon nakikita niya na yung intuition niya, sinasabihan siya na yung ah, hindi naging balance ang situation dito kasi merong five of wands eh. Five of wands for me is very conflicted and someone is feeling betrayed. Nakikita niya na through the lens. Nakikita na ng high priestess ang bigger picture, and this person is meron siyang information. Kung makikita mo, meron siyang information pero hindi siya umiimik. Okay, so I think merong Queen of Cups dito na I think nagsisisi or something. Yun lang ang pinaka the best way na masasabi ko, pero clarify ko pa nga para hindi ako confused. Someone is feeling betrayed here, Virgo, because of the fact that you are starting a new beginning somewhere else. Okay, or maybe yeah, Justice card, karma is here. Okay, this person may kinakarma dito, pre. Okay, merong kinakarma dito na isang tao na nag-cause ng betrayal sa'yo or nag-cause ng chaotic, very chaotic or gossip or kasi sometimes ang five of wands can represent false information din to sa akin. And gets mo, depende po sa reader ha. Marami pong iba't iba po ang strategy ng reader. So, don't shoot the messenger. Basta yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, merong tatamaan ng karma dito. And at the same time, merong sudden realization ng negative and positive kung ano yung naging resulta ng kanyang action, kasi to cause and effect ang Justice card, cause and effect. So, meron kang new beginning dito with the Ace of Wands. Maybe this person is thinking about pinush ka niya sa new beginning mo. Okay. Pinush ka kung sino man tong tao na to para sa'yo, mali ang move niya. Kasi the more na ginawa niya yung chaotic energy na to, okay, the more na nag-gossip siya sa'yo, the more na na-push ka sa new beginning mo. So that, ito ang karma niya. Okay, na-realize niya na, damn, wrong move siya. Wrong move siya kasi na-push ka na na pindot ang warning alarm mo. Alam mo yung nakita ko yung parang pag may sunog, pipindutin mo yun. Parang yung parang ganun ba. Na-trigger niya yun, nabasag niya yung glass. Napindot niya yung red button mo, yung red na pindutan mo, Virgo. So, bottom of the deck, 9 of Swords. So, meron ditong hindi makatulog or having an anxiety regarding sa nag-start over ka na ng mas passionate ka, mas peaceful ka, new beginning. Butterfly is a metamorphosis. So, ibig sabihin, nag-start ka somewhere else, and this person, meron ditong nag-iisip sa'yo. Kasi siya ang dahilan kung bakit na-push ka sa kung saan ka man ngayon. Yun ang nakita ko dito, Virgo. So, King of Swords and the 9 of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Virgo, okay. Meron ditong nag-iisip sa'yo na, you know what I mean, very wise ka. Maybe before, in-underestimate ka na you are nothing. But now you are something. And this person knows it. Okay, so yan ang karma niya, na malaman niya na you are something. You are not, hindi kayong taong walang kwenta. Hindi ko alam kung narinig mo yan or something. Basta yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Kung sino man yung taong nag-push sa'yo na kung saan ka man ngayon, nagsisisi na siya. May karmang nakaakibat. Okay. May karmang nakaakibat sa kanya. Sa bagay, kung sa iisipin natin, kung wala si Judas, kung hindi naging disciples ni Jesus si Judas, hindi naman magte-take place ang destiny ni Jesus, di ba? Ang destiny ni Jesus is malaki ang role ni Judas doon. Dahil, so parang ganun na lang. Sipin mo na lang. So yun. Ano pong advice kay Virgo? What is the advice for my Virgo? Please, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. What is the advice? What is the advice? ano to, your hard work is paying off, Virgo. And don't let your past hold you back. And a new time for healing. Okay, Virgo, para po sa mga kailangang mag-heal dyan, you need to take time for yourself. Take time to breathe out. Exactly. Or maybe this person na nag-cause ng ano dito sa'yo. Chaotic situation, yung magulong sitwasyon, no? Gossip or something. Nagkikreate ng different scenario na wala siyang alam. Okay. So, na-push ka ngayon. So, ang karma niya is alamin kung anong journey mo dito. Alamin kung, hindi ko alam kung nakakatanggap siya dito ng mga news na regarding sa'yo, kung anong kinalalagyan mo ngayon. I don't know. Isa siya sa mga biggest basher mo. Okay. So, we'll see. Yan ang advice sa'yo, Virgo. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ka lalapag dyan. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo. Angel message from Virgo, please, for what else? 461. So, Virgo, 461, i-google mo yun. 461. Angel message number, baka po makaresonate sa situation mo. So, may message ka po dyan, 461. Google mo po. Angel message number 461. So, thank you so much, Virgo, for being here para po sa mga makaka-resonate. Alam niyo na po ang galawan. Thank you po in advance para po sa hindi makaka-resonate. Better luck next time po. Baka energy niyo na masagap po. So, yeah. This is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.